What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Wish ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, right after we had this massive sell-off. And this sell-off was made right after this earnings report. And they missed the expectations. That's why we had this sell-off for more than 30%. And I've told you that if we'll break this support/resistance line, and it is the bottom of our all-time low at that moment, and if we will break it to the upside and retest it from the top, and we will have a candle that is opened and closed above this line, potentially we might have a price action higher than we were previously. But if we would have a rejection, and as you can see, we had first rejection right here, and second one, we had a second attempt to break it to the upside, but it was failed again. And this retest was the sign that we might go lower, and it happened. And from this level, from my previous video, we were to our lowest point for more than 38% on top of our previous 30%. And this is a really massive sell-off during just a couple of months, and for now we have this spike in price. So very good spike, very good price action, and it has a very good volume. And let's continue on the fundamentals of this company. First of all, let's start with the company profile. ContextLogic operates as a mobile e-commerce company in Europe, North America, South America, and internationally. The company operates Wish platform that connects a user to merchants. It also provides marketplace and logistics services to merchants. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $3.15 billion. They have a revenue of $2.83 billion with a revenue growth of 33.67%. They have negative net income of $907 million. And their total cash position is $1.57 billion, and their total debt is only $45 million. So financially, this company is rather stable. I have to say that they have enough money to operate, and they have a revenue growth, and potentially this company has a bright future. But we have to keep in mind that for the latest couple of months, basically from the beginning of this year, this company is losing its momentum. And as you can see, we consistently have lower lows and lower highs, and this means that this company is not so attractive from the investor's standpoint, despite of this huge volume of the previous run to the upside. And this was really massive, and for now we potentially have next attempt. So let's continue with some news that might affect the price of this company. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published just 8 hours ago, and it's titled "Meme Stocks Today: What Investors Are Saying About Wish Stock as Shares Cross the $6 Mark." And the main idea of this article for now, that the price of this company is driven by the retail investors and by the so-called meme community. And that's why you have to be cautious. And you can read this article by yourself. I will put the link in the description below. And let me show you that on stocktweets.com, on watchers section, Wish has the 5th position. And it has the number of mentions of 823. And right here on appwisdom.io, and this website tracks the activity on Reddit communities during the last 24 hours, and the Wish has the 3rd position, and it's up for 8 positions, and it has the huge number of upvotes of more than 27,000, and it is the highest number of upvotes for the entire list. This means Wish has a huge momentum from the retail investors, and that's why we can potentially rely on this stock with the next movement to the upside. So let me show you again the sentiment, the overall sentiment of this ticker, and more than 70% of mentions is bullish and less than 30% is bearish, and this is also quite good sign. And let me show you the TipRanks forecast. We have 10 ratings, 10 analysts made the rating of this ticker, and 2 of them suggest to buy, 5 suggest to hold, and 3 suggest to sell. And the price points are following. The lower end at $4 mark, average price is $9.06, and the high level is about $19. So to our average price from our current level, we have about 48% of upside potential. And this information leads us to the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's take a look more thoroughly on this recent movement. As I already mentioned, we have very good volume with these 2 candles during the last couple of sessions. And if I switch to hourly time frame, we can see clear structure, and in my opinion, we potentially might have this movement is our 3rd wave. And I'm not sure whether it is already finished, or we have potentially one more small leg to the upside on the smaller scale, and then we'll have a retracement and another leg to the upside. Or we might have something like this. From this very bottom, we have, this is our 1st wave, this is our 2nd potentially, this is our 3rd. We have to seek the bottom of our 4th wave and 5th wave to be determined in the future. And how to project the targets? Let me show you that we have, with this top, we have confluence of 3 metrics. First of all, we have a resistance line right here with this previous swing top. Second one, if I measure this wave with the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom to the top and to the bottom of the retracement, as you can see, we hit 1.618 extension, and this is the most common extension in the 3rd wave compared to 1st one. This means internally we might have, this is our 1st wave, this is our 2nd, this is our 3rd. But on top of that, if I measure this movement from this top, from this bottom, sorry, to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, we also hit the same level. And these 3 tools shows us that potentially we hit some kind of resistance, huge resistance, and we might go lower in order to accumulate more steam to break this resistance to the upside. And what are our targets? First of all, definitely we have this level, this, let me show it to you more thoroughly. This support/resistance that was the lowest point from the beginning of June 2021. And we had several attempts to break it, but it was failed attempts. And for now, we have this as our 1st and main target. And from our current price, we might have about 23% to this level. But if we'll have some lower price action, we might have, let me show it to you, we might have up to 40% of potential profits if we will go lower. And if we will have some steam to break this 1st resistance. And this setup is quite good from the technical standpoint, but you have to be cautious. Because when the support from retail investors and from Reddit communities will slow down, we will see massive sell-off, and fundamentally this company for now is not the best, and they will have their earnings report somewhere in November. I don't know the exact date for now. But when we will see this report and when we will see the numbers of this company, we can project some fundamental targets, and we might have more fundamentally based entry point for the investment in Wish. So, and I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!